Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add the Nashville filter effect from Instagram onto your videos all through Adobe Premiere Pro. So now we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I dragged a little bit of footage from one of my old Andy Japandy episodes just to show off this neat effect. First we're going to go up to our project window. We're going to right click our project, go to new item, and then select color mats, and then select that, and then we're gonna pick a nice tan color. So we're gonna hit F6DDAD. Now select a nice tan color for us. Hit OK, call it color mat or whatever you want. Drag the color mat onto the timeline above the video footage. Drag it so it fills it up all the way. Then we're gonna select color mat. We're gonna go to opacity, and then we're gonna select multiply for our blend mode. And that's going to give us these nice tan look. I don't like the opacity up all the way, so what I will do is I'll bring it down to, let's say 60%, just so it's not overly tan and you get a little bit of the sharpness. And then next we're going to go back to our project window, right click our project, go to new item, go to adjustment layer, and then hit OK. Drag the adjustment layer on top of the color mat, drag it all the way, select the adjustment layer. Now we're going to go into our effects. So the first effect we're going to deal with is in the obsolete folder. I'm going to drag RGB curves onto here. Next we're going to go to adjust, and then we're going to drag levels onto here. So the first thing we want to do, guys, is go to levels, go all the way down to where it says B stands for blue. We're going to go to our black output level. We're going to drag it. Most people usually do it about halfway-ish here. I don't like it to be that blue, so for a more subtle effect, I would choose about 90. So you get enough of the blue without it being like overly blue. And you can adjust accordingly to whatever video footage that you're using. So next we're going to go to RGB curves, and we're going to go to the master curve here, and we're just going to put in a nice little S curve. So select a point here, a point in the middle, and a point about here-ish. This bottom point here, we're just going to curve it down a little bit. Then for this top point here, I'm gonna raise it just a skosh, about here-ish I'd say. And then we can adjust the middle accordingly, just so you can get that nice little S-curve going on. And it's just that easy, guys. There you go. There's the Nashville effect. So, that's what it looks like before. And then adding in everything else, ta-da! There it is after. Like I said, guys, it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you add the Nashville filter effect from Instagram onto your videos, all through Adobe Premiere Pro. So with that said, this is the Andy Shavon. Sign out for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Catch you later, guys. Bye.